welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make egg bondas. Very easy and delicious recipe. So let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. To a mixing bowl, add 1 cup of gram flour, 2 tablespoons of rice flour, half teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of chili powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and a pinch of asofietida. Mix all the ingredients well. Now go ahead and add little water at a time and mix it well. We're looking for a dripping consistency. Yes, now we have the proper consistency. Now our batter is ready. I've already made a video on how to break an egg shell easily without damaging the eggs. You can refer to it. I'll be giving the link in the description box. Dip the egg in the batter and make sure the egg is well coated. Heat sufficient amount of oil in an iron pot. When the oil is nice and hot, add in the eggs and fry in medium flame for 2 minutes. When one side is nicely done, flip it to the other side. When both sides are nice and golden brown, remove it. Cut into 2 halves and sprinkle some pepper powder. Our delicious egg bondas are now ready. Serve it nice and hot with some hot tea and enjoy with your family and friends. Very easy and delicious recipe, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.